So first let's get rid of this weather forecast, and let's create a folder for view models. So let's first add a class for app user view model, and let's make this public. The properties of this will be this properties: first name, last name, role, token, and expiry timestamp. And we can remove the unnecessary namespace. And now we will create another view model for blog category, which is called blog category view model. We'll also make it public, and the properties will be this for ID, title, which is required, and created time and last updated. We'll also remove the unnecessary namespace and save it. The next view model is for blog view model. So let's create a class with blog view model, make this public, and the properties will be this ID, title, which is also required, subtitle, which is optional, and the content, and the slug, which will be used as the URL, banner image, and category ID, which is the foreign key. And we have a namespace for this iForm file. So let's try. Press command and period, and it's telling to install this package, so we will install this. Yeah, the error is gone. We can now remove the unnecessary namespaces, save it. And the next one is for comment view model. So add new class comment view model and make it also public, and the properties will be ID, content, target blog ID, commented by ID, and created. So save this, and before this you have also remove the unnecessary usings, save it again. The next view model is for chart actually, so let's add a class with the name of chart, demo chart view model. Add it, make this public, and the properties will be name and value, like this, property name and property value. We will remove the unnecessary imports, save it. We will also need a login view model, so add this new class login view model, make this public, and the properties will be like this, remove the unnecessary imports, save it. And we also need another view model for registration, so let's create a class for that, register view model. You can call it whatever you want, and we should make this public, and the properties will be email password, confirm password, first name and last name. And there's also a trick to create admin user, I'll show you later.